friends, welcome back to my channel Study Hub, and today we are going to discuss a video which is basically an spoken English video. In this video we are going to use some very appealing words that could be used in place of very. Sometimes you know that you are probably continuously using those words like it's very small, it's very strong, it's very huge, it's very small. So in spite of all, we must earn our vocabulary. In order to enhance our vocabulary, we must know that what should be a single word that can be used in place of these very words. So let's start today's video with some interesting words along with their images in order to have a good impact on your brain so that you can easily learn all these words. So let's start. Our first word is very strong. If something is very strong, you must use a word it's very forceful, or the kick is very forceful. You are anything which is forceful, which is very strong, you can use forceful. For example, बहुत ज़्यादा wind चल रही है तो आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं the wind is very forceful. Next is very cold. Whenever there is very cold, it is a situation in which there is extreme cold. For example, you went to some hilly station, or sometimes in winter there appears some days and nights which are very freezing. So you can say very cold ki jagah you can use the word freezing. Moreover, the third word is very peaceful. Sometimes there is a situation or there is a landscape where we feel very, very, very peaceful. So in that place, you can use serenity. There is a serenity in this place. Yeah, I am in a state of serenity whenever I practice yoga. The fourth word today is very small, and you must know all those girls and boys who are very small in size, they must know that it refers to height and it's not weight. Petite means the small heighted person. So you can use you are petite, and according to you, you must go to that section having petite clothes, right? Next is very quiet. In that case, when there is a situation of quietness and you must stop talking or crying or gossiping, in that case your teachers normally say hush. Hush means hushed, yani ki very quiet state is called as hushed state. Then something which is very huge, it can be colossal. You can use a word here, colossal, and this word is probably I didn't knew since I have discovered this word. This is a kajal, the black liner we use, and the brand name is Colossal. And the Colossal is due to because it is very huge, it is very intense. So anything which is very huge, just like these dinosaurs I have described in the picture, I have also taken this picture so that you can know that Colossal is not only the kajal, it can be anything which is very huge and intense. The next is hideous. Hideous means very ugly. If the person is not beautiful and he is extremely ugly that it might scare other children or people, then it is called as hideous. Then you are very familiar with this thing. This is a knife, and if the knife is very blunt, it means it is not sharp. So then in that case, it is keen. Keen means a very keen observer. You can also use this word with the observer. Bariki se jo dekhe, that is called as keen observer. Then there is delicious. Delicious means mouth watering, यानी मुंह में से पानी आ जाना. It's very tasty. You can say delicious, and I know that all of you are familiar. But since there is a population who didn't knew this word, so you can use. They mostly use that it is very tasty. You can also use mouth watering and delicious. For example, utterly, butterly, delicious, Annie. Pool. So it's used for butter because it's extremely tasty. Next is extremely hungry situation. When a person is very hungry, in that case you can say that I am famished. Famished is a situation when the person is extremely hungry. Then, very bad. Normally, when you throw your dustbins, the smell is very bad. You often say, ah, bahut ganda, ouch, very bad, very bad. So, in that condition, you can say, it's awful. I didn't like it. It's awful. Here comes the next image. This is an image of a scare like shit of a fly on your nose. Whenever a something happens immediately and you don't get a time and you get scared, in that case you can say मैं तो, normally people say oh मैं तो डर गया, I am frightened. In that case you can also use petrified, because petrified means sometimes when you immediately in a sudden action you get terrified, you get frightened from a situation, you can use this word petrified. Then this I have taken from the film of Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone, in which they are dancing in a video song. And this is a case when the people are extremely happy, extremely exciting, and doing whatever they want. This is a condition when a person is extremely happy. You can say jubilant, or the state of jubilation. When the person is very happy, in that case it is called as jubilant, and the occasion is called as jubilation. Then, very valuable. A person who is extremely valuable to you is precious. You can use a word precious. And highly esteemed person, for example, my daughter is very precious for me because she is very valuable to me. Next, this is a picture of arid region, and you might have seen this word in SST, because in SST there are different types of climates and weathers, according to which we have been taught that these are the different types of areas. So very dry and harsh area is called as arid. Arid is a condition of a particular climate. Then there is a flow of rivers. When they come from the mountains, still they are slopy, they are very fast because they move along the gravity. So very fast situation is called as rapid. For example, the rapid movement of water makes me scary. बहुत ज़्यादा fast movement से मैं डर गया. Then there is another word which is used for very dry condition. That is why I have put it on it. Very dry means parched condition. You can use it for your skin also. If your skin is very dry, you can say my skin is parched. Parched means very dry. Then there are some people in this world that are extremely miser, कंजूस होते हैं. They are called as stingy, and the word which is used for very stingy, extremely stingy, are penurious. Penurious means, actually I learnt this word from a trick. I will tell you the trick. Penny means every penny. Every penny means a single coin. So the person who thinks so many times while spending one coin, that is penurious. तो आप उससे याद रख सकते हैं, वो person जो एक penny खर्चने में भी सोचे, he is extremely stingy and he can be called as penurious. Next is spotless. You might have heard in different brand advertisements where Fair and Lovely and whiteness creams are there. This word is mostly used in those videos, that is spotless beauty. Spotless means very clean, very pure, and there is no flaw in the skin, so it is called as spotless. If a person is very clean, very pure, you can say your dress is spotless, your skin is spotless. So very clean situation is called as spotless. Then this is a state I have provided it red color, because red color is a color of anger. Apart from the love, it is a color of anger. So very angry situation means ferocious. If a person looks very angry, you can say, why are you looking ferocious? Ferocious means very angry. Then a pale very pale situation. When a person dies, mainly the skin turns pale. In that case, you can say very pale and weak condition. Weak condition is known as sluggish. So very pale means ashen, and weak means sluggish. So very pale, here the word is ashen. So very pale means ashen and sluggish means weak. The sluggish situation is called as weak. So these are the two words I have to discuss from this image. That is, very pale means ashen. You have heard this word in several poems. I have heard so. So I'm telling you that ashen means very pale, the yellow condition of the body, and sluggish means very weak. For example, a person is not recovering from his bad health. You can say, "Why are you looking so sluggish?" Then very appealing. If something is appearing very appealing to you, it means it's compelling you to do something. So very appealing situation is called as compelling. Last but not the least, this word you have often heard, and this word is used for the situation when the person is chilling, like in a song of Salman Khan, just chill, chill. That chill does not means only the, you can say that you are enjoying a lot and you are very excited, but here the chilling means आपको एकदम से शॉक करने वाली सिचुएशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one day you wake up in the morning and you see a frog is riding a bicycle, you will be threatened, you will be very scary. So very scary situation may we become, this is called as chilling. So when you're just chilling by yourself, feeling depressed and questioning the meaning of everything, but then your friend says they are depressed, confused and overthinking and need your help, advice and encouragement. So the chilling means very scary situation. So let's stop talking, and these are the top 24 words you can use for the very sentences in which we use very pale, very scared, very bad, very good. So I have selected all those words, and I will continue to make all these videos which are very interesting and seems interesting to you. Please like and share my video. If you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, please like and share this video, and also do comment me in the comment section. Thank you.
Wow, this sea is colossal, colossal. There is a serenity in this landscape. Serenity. Colossal means very huge, and serenity means very peaceful. I like this. Moreover, I am looking gorgeous today. Gorgeous. Gorgeous means very beautiful. But there is a smell coming out. It's awful. Awful. Awful means very bad.